Continuing coverage now of breaking news at this hour. A major legal battle over a child's life. A court-appointed doctor now says the 13-year-old girl is in fact brain dead after suffering complications following having her tonsils removed. The Children's Hospital of Oakland filed court papers late Monday asking to take the child off of life support. That after doctors there had also concluded she was brain dead. But family members say they want to keep their 13-year-old daughter connected to a breathing machine. They say they believe she is still alive and that the hospital should not remove her from the ventilator without their permission. Joining me now to talk more about this, attorneys Philip Holloway and Courtney Pilchman. You know, aside from the law, Philip, does this come down to money? I mean, I don't want to be insensitive about it, but I know hospitals have budgets.
Well, they absolutely do, and I think this potential third expert that may be brought into the situation is going to do nothing more than complicate things and muddy the waters. You know, courts are very hesitant to get involved in these kind of things. They want the families to resolve this with the hospital. They want the parties to come together to make these decisions. Judges don't like to get involved in these things. Every day that she remains on that ventilator in ICU, she's running up health care costs that are astronomical. And once the determination is made that she's brain dead, we're not talking about a coma, we're talking about brain death. The insurance companies are under no obligation to pay any more of these medical costs and so on and so forth. So it's going to boil down to the medical care costs falling upon this family in this tragic situation.
You know what, though? Hospitals do make a lot of money. Philip,
Right.
Talk to me about where that case stands.
Well, I don't think we're going to know what went wrong unless or until there's a post-mortem and this child is permitted to go ahead and pass if the life support is removed. We can jump to a lot of conclusions about possibly there being some medical malpractice, but until we know all the information, I think it's just premature to go there. It may have well been a medical malpractice, but we just don't know.
Philip and Courtney, thank you very much for your expertise on this breaking news story.
Thank you, and Merry
Harris.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, too.